In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix sound or audio problems on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to make sure is the basic thing. Click on the audio icon on your taskbar. Make sure this is not muted. Okay, make sure this is not muted. So if this is muted, then just simply unmute this icon. And you can also go to the desired volume that you want. Like you just have to increase the slider from here. Okay, so make sure of that. Then for the next method, we have to simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and type settings. Okay, click on settings under the best match. Now once you open the settings window, you have to simply click on system. And here you'll find sound, volume levels, output, input, sound devices. Click on that. Scroll down and here you'll find more sound settings. Click on that. Then here you need to make sure that your speaker is set as the default device. So click on your speaker and click on the set default. Then click on your speaker again, click on properties. If you have the enhancement tab right here, again, if you have the enhancement tab right here, make sure to disable all the enhancements. Okay, make sure to disable all the enhancements and click on the levels tab. Make sure this is not muted from here. You can increase the volume from here too and click on apply, click on OK, and click on OK again. Close this. Then right click on the start button and here you have to select device manager. Once you open the device manager window, here you have to simply locate sound, video, and game controllers. Click on the arrow to expand the list. And then you have to locate your audio driver. Okay, locate your audio driver and then make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest driver, which is the very first option. If you have more than one available drivers, and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then close this. And then you have to click on yes, and that will restart your Windows. And after that, you just have to see that the problem will be fixed. Now for the next method, close this. Right click on the audio icon and here you have to select troubleshoot sound problems. Make sure you are connected to an internet connection to go on with this process. So in the troubleshooting step, this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So you just have to simply follow these suggestions and recommendations. Like here, you have to click on yes to give consent to run the automated diagnostics to try solving the audio problem. So that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.